Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Jeep Patriot High Altitude. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in deep cherry red, looks great. You got that Jeep badging up front there with your lights and your fog lights down there. And coming around the side, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. Lots of tread left on them, and they look nice as well. You do have your heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got that high altitude badging, as well as the Jeep and the 4x4. You can open it up just right here. Looks awesome back here as well. You can fold those seats forward to give you a little bit more room. You do have some extra storage right there, and you do have your spare tire just underneath there in case you ever did need it. Got our keys here, 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our remote start and our panic button down there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows and locks, handle here, and some storage down here. Looks awesome in here. The leather seats are very comfortable. They are electric as well, so you do have that guy right there. And then up here we got the controls over our lights. So we do have our off, our daytime running lights, low beams, our auto, and our fog lights, as well as our high beams and turning signals here. Let's start her up here, key in ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. And right there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, but we can switch that around to our trip A, our trip B. We have our temperature outside, and then back to our kilometers. That is controlled from right here with your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. And then over here we do have the controls over our windshield wipers. Now in the center we do have our radio. So we have our seek options up here with our Bluetooth options right over there. Info, forward and rewind, our CD player, time and eject. You have your power off and on, AM, FM, Sirius XM, and your disc and aux cord plug-in there. Then you also have your presets, your aux cord plug-in, your list, music type, and setup, as well as your selector there. You have your heated seats, traction control, and your hazard light there. Gear shift is right here, and we do have some storage, some cup holders here with your parking brake and your 4-wheel lock. Then you do have your storage container here. That is your armrest as well. 2 layers, lots of room in there. Then you got your top and bottom layers for your glove boxes as well. And you do got your lights and your control over your sunroof right here. And there's our sunroof looking awesome. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control of your windows, a handle here, and some storage right down there. It looks awesome back here. It is the same material as the front, so the leather is very nice. You can fold those seats forward just like that as well, giving you even more room in the back. As well, you got some cup holders just right there. There's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Jeep Patriot High Altitude. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.